Hey, before we get started on today's video, I just wanted to give you a quick reminder about the cocktail competition that I'm hosting. It'll be ending in a few days, so you have to make sure you get entries in really quick. You can win up to $500 cash, you'll be featured on the channel, and you'll get a cocktail recipe card inserted into every single Library & Co shipment for an entire year, cementing your drink as a signature serve. So follow the link in the description below. Otherwise, let's get back to the video. New Orleans gave the world the Sazerac, the Vieux Carré, and La Louisiane, but this drink doesn't get the attention that it deserves. So let's talk about it. The drink was first seen in print in Stanley Clisby Arthur's famous New Orleans Cocktails and How to Mix Them in 1937. It was the house cocktail at De La Louisiane, which was founded in 1881. The restaurant was located in this opulent building, and it was the place to be seen in New Orleans at the time. It was created sometime between 1880 and 1912. And the original recipe was equal parts of rye whiskey, Benedictine, and sweet vermouth, with the addition of Peychaud's and absinthe. Think of it as a cross between the Sazerac and the Vieux Carré, but I'm pretty confident it predates the Vieux Carré. The drink almost certainly had absinthe from the beginning, which was banned in the US from 1912, which tells us that the drink predates that. After the ban, Herbsaint would have been the local logical substitute in New Orleans. The drink disappeared during the mid-century cocktail decline, and the fact that absinthe had already disappeared and the drink was reliant on another specialty ingredient, Benedictine, it was vulnerable to disappearing. Its modern revival is credited to Jim Meehan's The PDT Cocktail Book from 2011. The PDT spec for La Louisiane calls for 2 ounces of rye, 3/4 ounce Benedictine, and 3/4 ounce of sweet vermouth. More spirit forward and considerably less sweet. And if you do want a written copy of the recipe, then follow the link in the description below. 2 ounces 60 ml of rye whiskey, 3/4 of an ounce 22.5 ml of Benedictine, 3/4 of an ounce 22.5 ml of sweet vermouth, 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, and 3 to 4 dashes of absinthe from a Japanese dasher bottle. Whilst it's not a part of the original recipe, I do like to express some lemon all over the top. I'm pretty sure the original recipe called for a single maraschino cherry. PDT calls for 3. Completely up to you. Cheers. Sweet, spicy, and it's got that touch of anise. This is a fantastic drink. If you like Manhattans, Sazeracs, Vieux Carrés, then this is in that wheelhouse and you will love this. You can follow the link in the description to download my free cocktail recipe app, available on both iOS and Android. I'll direct you to La Louisiane in the app so you can save it. And whilst you're there, add your bottle collection to the app and you'll discover exactly what cocktails you can make using the ingredients you have on hand.